Hello everyone! So, our very first jackfruit is ready to be harvested. It is soft to touch, and also this leaf here is like got yellow. These are the indications that it can be harvested. So I will do it now. We open it and we cut it open and we see what we've got inside. So pretty exciting. Okay, let's go to the veranda and see what we've got. I will try to cut it open now. Never done this before. Oh, nice. So, getting this open. Now, we see how we go. I will try to pull it apart. Oh, the color looks nice. And it smells amazing. Oh, beautiful. The flesh. Yummy. Oh wow. Delicious. Wow. So I decided to move the camera to the shade. Wow. Look at it. And since I know that these beets can be cooked as well, stir fry or so, I will get another plate and we'll collect them too. we will most likely cook the seeds. I might do some seedlings as well. We see how we go. The fruit is super ripe. I think we got the perfect time, perfect moment to harvest it. So delicious, super sweet. Delicious tropical flavor. It has some hint of like a banana taste as well. Banana, maybe some coconut, and pineapple combined together, but just a hint of pineapple, because it's not tangy at all, no tart at all. Super sweet in a really good way. Yummo. Yeah, there's the little skin of the from the seed, which we don't want. Okay, we will use these ones for stir fry and enjoy the fruit, and we will cook the seeds as well. And yeah, done for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.